welcome to Hrmtv. My name is Hrmtv. Hrmtv is powered by JOS Projects. At this point I have to apologize because we've been away for a while, but guess what? We're back. We're back with more content. We are back with more exciting issues around the HR community. So thank you for joining us. So today we're going to start a series on job satisfaction. So there are certain aspects of your job you might like and certain aspects you might not like. But overall, how satisfied are you with your job? Because there are certain areas of your job that makes you satisfied at your job. So you have to be happy with your pay. You have to be happy with the kind of supervision you get. You have to be happy with your advancement, how well you're progressing. You also have to be happy with your ability to develop in your job. So if you start out with this level of competence, how much do you grow? How prepared are you for the next level? How much are you groomed to take on leadership or more responsibilities? So all those come together to make your job, make you satisfied with your job. And a lot of people don't have that. So they might be happy with their pay, but they might not be happy with the kind of supervision or the kind of leadership that they have. But overall, job satisfaction requires you to have some level of satisfaction with your job, at least along one or two of these areas which I've just mentioned. Now, question comes to mind. If you like your job, why do you then leave? So there are certain reasons why you might want to leave your job. You might want to leave your job because the pay is better. Some people like their jobs, but their jobs are so far away from where they live and they have to commute a long distance. Some people like their jobs, but they've been doing the same thing over and over again and it's becoming a bit monotonous, so they would like some change. Some people like what they're doing, but they might perhaps want to relocate. So there might be reasons why you want to relocate. You might want to relocate because you have opportunities for your spouse to advance faster in another location. And you might also have you also might want to study, and perhaps where you need to go for studying might not be close to where you are. So many reasons why people would like to move from one job to the other. And why is this important? This is very important because in order to be able to promote your skills and your abilities when you are looking for a new position, you need to be able to talk much more convincingly about why you are moving, or why you would like a new job, why you would like to move to a new place. What are those things that makes a new employer want to employ you? How well are you able to promote yourself or sell yourself to a new employer? Because it's very important. Some people think that saying that they do not like their job is the reason why an employer would think that they should move. And some people give funny things about where they are coming from. But all in all, there is no hard and fast rule about you leaving a job because you do not like it. Yes, you can like your job, but you still might want to move. If you're moving from one job to the other, how can you show that you are ready for the next level? How can you show that? How much of leadership positions have you taken in your last role? How much delegation have you been involved in? What kind of projects, what kind of teamwork, what kind of supervisory levels have you been involved with? What teams have you led? What are the caliber of people that are in those teams that you have led? All those are very important. So when you're thinking about moving your jobs and you're thinking about your level of satisfaction, bear all of these things in mind. So like I said, this is the first in the series of us talking about job satisfaction. Why, even when you like your job, would you want to leave that job? So we will be continuing this series in another video. So if you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Thank you very much for joining me.